Welcome. If you want to set up face unlock on your CUBOT R15 Pro, at first you have to go for the settings. So let's go for settings. Next you have to scroll down and find security and location, then tap on the face unlock, click to enroll face, input your second log method. So I'm going for a pattern, click yes, draw the pattern, click next, do it second time, tap confirm. We can adjust notifications, we can hide sensitive content, click done, then read the description, click to start enroll face, click OK. And as you can see, we have to keep our face in the circle. We have to lower our head a little bit. And as you can see, it's working. So right now we can try to lock device and unlock by using our face. And as you can see, it's working. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. So yeah,